a go at this place, will you? This is some seriously hilly country out here, which makes it the perfect location to demonstrate a couple of very cool features of the MUX, those being hill descent control and hill start assist. Now, I wouldn't ordinarily recommend you stop halfway up a hill, but that's exactly what I'm going to do here to demonstrate hill start assist. The vehicle has sensed that we're on a hill of greater than 5.7 degrees. So when I take my foot off the brake, Hill Start Assist will hold the vehicle in position for a couple of seconds while I move my foot over to the accelerator. The vehicle is letting me add power and gradually releasing the brakes. So as soon as it senses that we've got traction and that we are trying to move forward, it eases off and we're away. Righto, that is a handy little feature, and I reckon it's as at home out here in the bush and on the tracks as it is in everyday life. Think a steep hill in the wet set of traffic lights, you get what I'm getting at. Now, I'm going to head back down the hill and show you exactly how hill descent control works, one of my favourite features on the MUX. Just turning into the hill now. There we go, quite steep. Pushing hill descent control button. I can see on the dash, hill descent control has been activated. And here we go. Now you can see that both of my feet are well clear of the accelerator and the brake pedal, and yet the MUX is descending down the hill at a really gentle rate. It's an amazing bit of technology. You can feel it working. And although this is a really short, sharp, steep hill, I feel completely safe and very comfortable. On surfaces where tyre traction cannot be maintained, or where your brakes are ineffective, such as slippery mud or ice, then hill descent control will be ineffective and manual control of the vehicle needs to be maintained. The MUX made going up and down those hills just so easy, and I reckon when it comes to safety and capability out on the tracks, features such as hill start assist and hill descent control just make it so much easier. For more four-wheel drive tips and to keep in touch with Isuzu owner events, why don't you head to the iVenture Club website at iventureclub.com.au.